Hello friends, so today we're gonna discuss some more culinary books. So as in the last video you can see I have discussed some of the basic cooking professional books that you can use in your lives to understand the basics of cooking, the basic of professional cooking what is. So further talking about some more culinary books, these books basically take you in detail in the food production, in the culinary industry, in the food industry, that what all the things are there in the industry which are not mentioned in those books. So these books are particularly detailed information. If you want to become a wonderful chef, a professional chef, you should buy them and read them by your heart. So let's get started. The first book is the cookbooks of ingredient. So this book is published by the DK Publications. This book gives you the best information about the ingredients under a category. So under this book have a different category, the different topics which I have mentioned down there you can see. So this book have number of topics and number of ingredients that you will find in this book. Many of those ingredients you haven't heard of. So you find new ingredients on every page that you even didn't heard of, and there are a number of ingredients out there in this book that you can read through, and those ingredients are actually used in the industry to modify the cooking, to enhance the cooking, to enhance the flavor of the cooking. Some particular ingredients are also mentioned out there. The major topics covered in this book are, so the first topic is meat, fish and seafood, vegetables, herbs, nuts and seeds, spices, dairy and eggs, fruits, grains, rice, pastas and noodles, oil, vinegar and flavorings. So all these are the topics which are mentioned out there, and you can find in this book a detailed information, a detailed number of ingredients about all these topics are mentioned in this book. So make sure you can buy this book, and this book is very vast about the ingredients. Coming up to the next book, it's the Professional Chef. This book is by the Culinary Institute of America and is published by the John Winley and Sons Incorporation. So this book is usually used in the Culinary Institute of America. So this institute is a very renowned institute in the America and gives a detailed information to the students about the culinary world. So this book is written in that institute of that chefs. So the Culinary Institute of America, and is published by John Winley and Sons Incorporation. I personally love this book because of its content and way of presenting it in full detailed form. So this book contains a number of pictures, a number of recipes, a number of culinary terms about the cooking, about the professional cooking that you will find, and I'm definitely sure that if first you download this PDF of this book or you will purchase this book, you will fall into love with this book. It's very detailed. The major topics covered in this book are tools and ingredients in the professional kitchen, the equipments used in the cooking, the ingredients used in cooking, then stock, sauces and soup, meat, poultry, fish and shellfish, then vegetables, grains, legumes, pastas and dumplings, breakfast and guard manja. Guard manja is a section in a kitchen which prepares all the cold items. For example, like cold soup, cold sauces, salads, and some of the force meat items are also prepared here. Then baking and pastry. These all major topics are covered in this book in very detailed. So make sure you will buy this book, and it's very informative. Coming next to the guard manja. So this book is particularly based on the guard manja topic. So this book is also by the Culinary Institute of America and is published by John Winley and Sons Incorporation, as mentioned in the last book. This book contains a detailed information on every aspect of guard manja with some written recipes from the experts. So this book, as like the last book, it's have a number of pictures, a detailed information, and then also it's have a number of culinary terms, a number of recipes written in this book by some experts about the guard manja. So the major topics covered in this book are, so you can see different types of topics are covered, which these dishes, these topics these major things are prepared in the garde manger. So you can see cold soups and sauces, salads, sandwiches, charcuterie. So charcuterie, as I have mentioned in the last PPT, charcuterie is the forced meat items which are prepared. Then like sausages is also made with the forced meat items. So one of the product of the forced meat items of the charcuterie is sausages. So you can imagine what sausages or what charcuterie or what forced meat are. And else you can like detailed information is given in this book and you can read through. Then coming to cheese, appetizers and hors d'oeuvres, condiments, crackers and pickles, and buffet preparation. So as it's mentioned here, hors d'oeuvres. So hors d'oeuvres are basically the appetizer terms. The appetizer terms in French is called hors d'oeuvres. So that's all. That these are the major topics which are covered in that book. Coming forward to molecular gastronomy. So it's also one of the book, and it's a very like imagining book which is I have written here. It's exploring the science of flavors. As you can see in the heading, to explore the flavors, to explore a number of things, you must have to go through this book. So this book is translated by M.B. Debevoise and is published by Columbia University Press. This book says it is not enough to know the principle of cooking. It is not enough to know the principle. One needs to know how to manipulate the guest to think what you are thinking about that dish, about while you are preparing that dish, what all things you used, what all preparations you used. So to manipulate the guest, you should know the molecular gastronomy. So this book include gastronomy on many topics. This book is mainly divided into 4 parts. So they are: part 1 is the secret of the kitchen, the part 2 is physiology of flavors, part 3 is investigation and models, and part 4 is a cuisine for tomorrow. So if we talk something about gastronomy, so gastronomy is a sort of subsection of the food science. So basically how the food science react to the food, how the molecules arrange itself in the food, how the physical and chemical state involved in the cooking, what all things we can use to enhance the flavor of the dish, to like show the flavors, like show the food skills in that dish. So molecular gastronomy is a very important topic in the upcoming world, and a professional chef should have to know about the gastronomy. So it's a very important and a very interesting book if you read it. Coming to the last book, as I've mentioned here, it's Laroux's Gastronomy. So this book is written by Chef Auguste Georges Escoffier. As I have mentioned in my first PPT something about Chef Georges Auguste Escoffier. He's the king of chefs, and this book is written by Chef Georges Auguste Escoffier and Phyllis Gilbert. The first edition was released in 1938, as was edited by Prosper Montage. So Chef Georges Auguste Escoffier died before the first edition of this book was published. So he and Phyllis, George Augustus and Phyllis, just give the prefaces about this book. This book is written by, or you can see as I've written, edited by the Prosper Montage. So the first edition of this book is published in 1938, and Chef Georges Auguste Escoffier died in 1936. So before launching this first edition of this book, Chef Georges Auguste was no more. So coming to the next point, it is the encyclopedia of food, wine and cookery. This book is like a dictionary of culinary terms. This book have a number of culinary terms, as you can find in this book. This is a heavy book, a very heavy book that contains more than 1000 or I believe 1200 pages. This book gives you an ultimate knowledge of cooking and food culinary. So like it's the dictionary of the culinary terms that you can find in this book. So this is the last book, but not the least in my list, that I have recommended to you people. So these 6 books are some extra books that I have mentioned you for your detailed information, for your help, for you to better understanding the culinary field, the kitchen field, the production field. So you will also become a great chef like Chef George August Escoffer one day. And you should read all of these books. They are really very good and have a very detailed information. So that's all for the day, guys. Make sure you will hit the like, share and subscribe. Don't forget to have fun. So keep plating and keep cooking. That's all. Thank you.